Where was that?
Yeah. I'll take you out real quick. That one out about half a mile. Okay. I got another one here. Yeah, this one.
How much it cost you to build it?
These are a little bit more expensive. That one right there with everything on it, I mean, it's like $1,000. This one's like $1,200, $1,300.
That's what I was telling him. I didn't think it was too cheap.
Yeah, nah. But this one right here, both of them have return to home. You know what I mean? They can GPS hold. So if I let go of the sticks, it'll stay right where it is. Oh yeah, that airplane's pretty big, too.
Yeah, it is. We're just looking at that.
I got some real good shots of them coming by me, too.
My name's Carl.
Oh, my name's Don. Nice to meet you. We got some real cool, some real good videos on there, too. This is a little old, but everything is right. Good website. We actually flew from here over 76 and hovered behind the Art Museum on July 4th and flew through the fireworks. We got that video on our website, too.
I'm going to need to check it out.
Okay, yeah.
More than the computer.
Yeah.
I'm computer literate.
Yeah,
I'm 55 years old.
We try and do everything, though. You know, we do.
I like that.
We do aerial photography for weddings and sporting events and stuff.
That's nice.
But yeah, that's the camera you're looking through.
You got a little jet on it.
Oh yeah.
That's nice.
Little fast jet.
Something different.
Yeah, man.
My neighbor used to have them big radio operated airplanes.
Oh, okay, yeah.
Years ago.
Yeah, completely different now with the electric and I mean I used to go with the gas, but we got gas cars and stuff. And they're always cutting off on us on the street. You know what I mean? So I could just imagine that happening to me while I'm in the air somewhere. Yeah.
All right, man. Good talking to you.
Yeah, nice talking to you too.
Yes,
Definitely
sir.
nice to meet you, man.
Yeah,
I'll talk to you soon.
I like that.
Thank you.
I'm gonna get here to punch this up.
Yeah, man. If you guys want one, let me know. I make them for you and everything.
All right.
All right. I'm like, shit, are they done already? Hell no. Hadn't even been going.